ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्करार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 448। ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व अन्यथा उपपत्ति विचार है। ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व अन्यथा उपपत्ति। This Purva Pakshi will say something like this. Just because there is Jnana Nivartyatvam does not mean it is mithya. Siddhanti will say if anything is Jnana Nivartya, it is mithya. So for Siddhanti, Jnana Nivartyatva Anyatha Anupapatti is there. Purva Pakshi will say Anyatha Upapatti is possible. That is going to be the discussion in this topic. तरति शोकम आत्मविद तथा विद्वान नाम रूपाद विमुक्तः विद्यते हृदय ग्रंथि छिद्यन्ते सर्व संशयाः क्षीयन्ते चास्य कर्माणि तस्मिन् दृष्टे परावरे इत्यादि श्रुति स्मृति बोधित ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व अन्यथा अनुपपत्ति ही. See, Siddhanti will say ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व अन्यथा अनुपपत्ति. Because it is ज्ञान निवर्त्य, there is no other way a thing will be ज्ञान निवर्त्य unless it is मिथ्या. ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व अन्यथा अनुपपत्ति ही अपि बंध मिथ्यात्वे प्रमाणम. And if it is satya, if बंधन is satya, सत्यत्वे ब्रह्मवत् अनिवर्त्यत्वापत्तेः. Bandhan, if it is Satya, it will not be eliminated. If it is eliminated, it is not Satya. Tarati Shokam Atmavid, Chandogya, 7th chapter. What it shows is, Shoka Nivritti will happen when Atma Jnanam takes place. The Shoka is representative of Samasta Samsara. Shoka Nivritti will happen if Atma Jnanam takes place means Jnanena Samsara Nivartyatvam. Samsara Nivritti will happen. This is possible only if Samsara is Mithya. In the same way, Tatha Nam Vidwan Nama Rupad Vimuktaha. Nama Rupa, if they are Mithya, then Vidwan Jnani will become free from all Nama Rupa. Not only his Nama Rupa. All Ghata, Pata, whatever Nama Rupa, he is free. He is free means he understands Nama Rupa has no relevance actually. And Vidyate Hridaya Granthi, etc. So Jnana Phalam is there only when Tasmin Paravare Drashte. When that Brahma Vastu is known as Para and Avara, then Phalam is there. Ajnana Granthi is gone, Samshayas are gone, Karmani Kshiyante. Therefore, they all have to be Mithya. Hridaya Granthi is Mithya, Samshayas are Mithya, Karmas are Mithya. Therefore, then alone they will have Jnana Nivartyatvam. See, these mantras you may study in the Upanishad and understand something. Same thing when you study here in Praud Grantha, you will have a different way of understanding. Same thing in Brahma Sutra also. What you understood, let's say, about Taittiriya Upanishad, Panchakosha, Ananda, same thing in Anandamaya Adhikarana, you will understand a lot more differently. This is why same thing also when it is studied in Praud Grantha, the vichara, the analysis will be different. If bandhana is satya, it will become like Brahma. Then it is not nivartya. Tathahi. Shukti rupya rajju sarpadau jnana nivartyatve na tavat tattad rupavatvam jnana nivartyata vachedakam ananugamat. In Shukti rupya rajju sarpa, they all are jnana nivartya. But what is the jnana nivartyata avachedakam? So we cannot say Shukti rupyatvam, rajju sarpatvam in this way. Why? Because there is no anugama of one thing in all. So tattad rupavatvam can never be the avachedakam, ananugamat. Then what is that whose anugama is there? Mithyatvam is anugatam. In Shukti rupya, mithyatva is there. In rajju sarpa, mithyatva is there in this way. किंतु सर्वानुगतम मिथ्यात्वम एवं अज्ञान कल्पितत्व अपर पर्यायम अवच्छेदकम. मिथ्यात्वम which is अज्ञान कल्पितम, अपर पर्याय means another alternative for it. यन मिथ्या तद अज्ञान कल्पितम. So मिथ्यात्वम अज्ञान कल्पितत्वम is the avachedakam. एवं ज्ञानस्यापि तन्निवर्तकत्वे. ज्ञान is निवर्तक, मिथ्या वस्तु is निवर्त्य. So ज्ञानम ज्ञानस्यापि तन्निवर्तकत्वे न शुक्त्यादि विषयत्वम. What is the nivartaka jnanam? So you should not say shukti jnanam, rajju jnanam, etc. Why? Because there is no anugama of it. Then what is the anugata? Kintu sarvanugatam adhishthana pramatvam. Adhishthana pramatvam is anugatam. That is the nivartakam. And nivartyam, avachedakam for nivartyatva, is मिथ्यात्व. तथा च यत्र ज्ञानस्य अधिष्ठान प्रमात्वेन निवर्तकता तत्र मिथ्यात्वेनैव निवर्त्यता इति नियमः सिद्ध्यति. Therefore this niyama will be there. यत्र ज्ञानस्य अधिष्ठान प्रमात्वेन निवर्तकता. ज्ञानम is अधिष्ठान प्रमात्वेन निवर्तक. Then tatra mithyatvenaiva nivartyata. Whatever is nivartya, it is mithyatva. So yatra yatra jnanasya adhishthana pramatvena nivartakata tatra tatra adhyasthasya mithyattvena nivartyata. This kind of vyapti you can get. Jnanasya adhishthana pramatvena nivartakata tatra tatra adhyasthasya mithyattvena nivartyata. If there is jnana pragabhava, if there is jnana pragabhava, jnana pragabhava will be eliminated by what?
Jnana.
Jnana. Jnanam will eliminate Jnana Pragabhav. So, Jnanam will have Nivartakata. Jnana Pragabhav will have Nivartyata. But Jnana Pragabhav is not Mithya. So, you cannot say anything that is Jnana Nivartya is Mithya. So therefore, this adhishthana pramatva is also important. Because in that case, when jnana pragabhava is eliminated by jnanam, that jnanam is not adhishthana jnanam. It is not adhishtanam of pragabhava. Ghata jnanam is not adhishtanam of ghata pragabhava. So therefore, there it doesn't apply. There is no ativyapti in that jnana pragabhava. Jnana pragabhava doesn't become mithya. Nayayikas also don't accept it. Okay, so that is eliminated. See further now. एतादृश नियम अनभ्युपगमे च अनंत नियम कल्पना गौरव रूपो बाधक तर्क. If you don't accept this niyama, Siddhanti is telling Purvapaksha, anabhyupagame, if you don't do svikara of this, ananta niyama kalpana gaurav rupo, then you will have to do ananta niyama kalpana. There is gaurav dosha in that, and they will have badhaka, gaurav rupa badhaka tarka. Means you will end up with lot of badhakatva. So this niyama is the minimum and it is correct. How? तथा ही यन्निष्ठा यदाकारा प्रमारूप अंतःकरण वृत्तिरुदेति तन्निष्ठम तदाकारम अज्ञानम नाशयति इति नियमस्य सिद्धत्वात्. यन्निष्ठा यदाकारा प्रमा, चैत्र निष्ठा घटाकारा प्रमा, रूप अंतःकरण वृत्तिरुदेति, when it happens, then Tannishta means Chaitranishta. Tadakaram means Ghatakaram. Ajnanam nashayati. If Chaitra has Ghata Vishayaka Ajnanam, Chaitra having Ghata Vishayaka Jnanam will do the Nasha of that Ajnanam. This is the Niyama. Niyamasya Siddhatvat. Upadan Nashasya cha Upadeya Nivartakatvat. Upadan Nasha is Upadeya Nivartaka. Upadana Nashasya Upadana Karana. If you remove, then Upadeya will be eliminated. Shuktyadi Jnanena Tattada Ajnana Nashe Tadupadeyanam Rajatadinam Nivritti Rauchitya Avarjita Eva. He's explaining the second aspect of this. First, he said, Jnanam will remove Ajnanam. Now he is saying, Jnanam will remove Karyam. Shukti Jnanam will remove Shukti Ajnanam.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Shukti Jnanam, will it also remove the Rajata that is appearing in Shukti?
Yes.
So that Rajata is Ajnana. Ajnanam is the upadanam, and this is kaya. Upadana nashasya. Upadanam is ajnanam. Then upadeya nivartakatvat. Upadeya, upadanam is ajnanam. Upadeya will be shukti rupya. So शुक्त्यादि ज्ञानेन तत्तद आकार अज्ञान नाशे तद उपादेयानाम रजतादीनाम. Rajata is the karyam of this ajnanam. Its nivritti also, nivritti hi auchitya avarjita eva, means it is appropriate. Iti niyamantara akalpanena laghavam. So you don't have to do another niyama kalpana. ज्ञानेन अज्ञान निवृत्ति, अज्ञान निवृत्त्या अज्ञान कार्य निवृत्ति. Everything is adhyastha. Ajnanam is also adhyastha. Ajnana karyam is also adhyastha. This ajnanam is adhyastha. There was some question on this. How ajnanam is adhyastha between atma and ajnanam? Is sambandha possible?
No.
Between atma and ajnanam, there is no sambandha possible. For that sambandha to happen, you need first adhyasa between atma and ajnana. When that happens, then everything else begins. So this adhyasa is called adhyasa of the karana. Ajnanam is the karanam, karana adhyasa. The other adhyasas will be karya adhyasa. In this, Siddhanti said, Laghavam and Anukula Tarko Asmat Pakshe. There is Laghavam in this niyama and Anukula Tarka we have, which we said Vyapti. अज्ञानोपादेयत्वं च शुक्ति रजतादीनाम अन्वय व्यतिरेक सिद्धम अग्रे स्थास्यति. अज्ञान उपादेयत्वम, अज्ञानम उपादान कारणम. So shukti rajata is ajnana upadeyam. Shukti rajatadinam ajnana upadeyatvam through anvaya vyatireka. How anvaya vyatireka will happen? Ajnana sattve shukti rupyadi sattvam. Ajnana bhave tesham abhava. Simple anvaya vyatireka will prove ajnanam is their upadana karana. Evam sthite कृत्स्नस्यापि प्रपंचस्य आत्म प्रमा निवर्त्यत्वे तद अज्ञान कल्पितत्वमेव तत्रावच्छेदकं कल्प्यते न तु अननुगतम आकाशत्वादि. एवं स्थिते when this is there, कृत्स्नस्यापि प्रपंचस्य आत्म प्रमा निवर्त्यत्वे, when the entire prapancha is atma prama nivartya, prapancha will be eliminated when atma prama takes place. Aham brahma asmi. अज्ञान कल्पितत्वमेव तत्र अवच्छेदकं कल्प्यते. So what is the avachedaka then? Ajnana kalpitatvam. Anything that is ajnana kalpitam is adhisthana jnana nivartyam. Natu ananugatam akashatvadi. Akashatva is not anugata. Akasha can be vibhu, but akasha is not anugata. Because there are vastu parichheda, kala parichheda, etc. Nava brahma bhinnatvam sad bhinnatvam va sarvanugatam api. Brahma bhinnam, anything that is Brahma bhinnam is not sarvanugatam. So Brahma bhinnatvam, even if you can come out with something, it will not be sarvan. It's Brahma bhinnatvam if it is sarvanugatam. Means in Ghata Brahma bhinnatvam will be there, in Pata Brahma bhinnatvam will be there. Can we say that? So Siddhanti says, no, you cannot say this. because Tuchha is also Brahma Bhinna. Tuchha means Vandhyaputra, Shashavishana, etc. So, if you say Brahma Bhinnatvam or Sad Bhinnatvam, Shashavishana, Vandhyaputra, they are Sad Bhinna also. Tuchhe Ati Prasaktehe, in Tuchha, in Alik, there is Ati Prasakti, Ati Prasang, Ati Vyapti. So now we have to do Tadvaraka. Visheshana we have to add. Tadvaraka Visheshana Prakshepe tu Sadasad Vilakshanattva Rupa Mithyatvam Nivartyata Prayojakam Paryavasitam. To eliminate that Tuchha, what we will have to say? Tuchha Vrittitve Sati. That which is Tuchha Avritti. Tuchha Vrittitve Sati Brahma Bhinnatvam. Tuchha Vrittitve Sati Sad Bhinnatvam. So it is not Tuchha Vritti, it is not going in Tuchha, and it is not Brahma. It is different from Brahma. So we have seen this earlier. There are 4 ways in which you can classify everything. Paramarthik Satta, Vyavaharik Satta, then
Pratibha.
Pratibhas.
and
Tuchha.
Tuchha. This is Tuchha. Or Asat, you can use that word if it is easy. So Sat, Asat, and these two will become
Sadasad Vilakshana.
is given in the book. Sat, otherwise also you know what is the Lakshana for Mithya. Sadasad Vilakshanam. So, if we say Tuchha Vrittitve Sati, so it will not go in. Brahma Bhinnatvam. Then what is remaining is Mithya. Sadasad Vilakshanatva Rupa Mithyatvam Eva Nivartyata Prayojakam Paryavasitam. Anyatha Niyamantar Kalpana Gauravapattehe. Anyatha you will have to do lot of Niyama Kalpana. You will have to go on creating lot of Niyama. And it will have Kalpana Gaurava. Tathacha Shuktyadi Jnanasya Yena Rupena Nivartakatvam Tena Rupena Atma Jnanasya Nivartakatvam. Shuktyadi Jnanasya Yena Rupena Nivartakatvam Tena Rupena Atma Jnanasya Nivartakatvam. So Shuktyadi Jnanasya Adhishthanatvena Nivartakatvam. Atma Jnana api Adhishthanatvena Nivartakam. And Rupyadav Yena Rupena Nivartyatvam. Prapanche Tadrupam Tadrupena Nivartyatvam. You understand. In Rupya, why there is Nivartyatvam? Mithyatvat. So Mithyattvena Nivartyatvam. Prapancha also Mithyattvena Nivartyatvam. प्रपंचे तद्रूपम विना अनुपपद्यमानम स्वोपपादकतया तत्र तत् कल्पयति इति सिद्धम मिथ्यात्व. In prapancha also, if mithyatva was not there, then jnana nivartyatvam would not have been there. Because jnana nivartyatvam is there. Where it is given by Shruti. And then you can say it is vidvad anubhava. So, swa upapadaktaya tatra tat mithyatvam kalpayati iti siddham. So, therefore, tatra means in prapancha. Prapanche mithyatvam kalpayati. Swa upapadaka. स्व उपपादकतया स्व इज ज्ञानम.
ज्ञान sorry.
मिथ्यात्व. उपपादक will be मिथ्यात्व. फर्दर ननु भवेदेतदेव यदि आत्मज्ञानस्य प्रपंचे निवर्त्ये शुक्त्यादि ज्ञान साधारणम अधिष्ठान परमात्वम एव अवच्छेदकम इति अत्र किंचिन मानम भवेत्. पूर्व पक्षी से ओके, it would have been like that if आत्मज्ञानस्य प्रपंचे निवर्त्ये, आत्मज्ञानम when it does the prapancha nivritti, shuktyadi jnana sadharanam adhishthana pramatvam. Shuktyadi jnana sadharanam, shukti, rajju, etc. In all of them, adhishthana pramatvam is the avachedaka. In that, there would have been some manam, pramanam bhavet. But Purvapaksha says, so if that happens, then prapancha is mithya, that siddhi can happen. But rupantarena api nivartakatva sambhavat. In other ways also nivartakatvam is there. How? He will give some drashtantas. Shrutistu, and then Siddhanti says, but what about Shruti? Shruti talks about prapancha nivritti through Advaita Jnanam. Shrutistu Dvaita prapanchasya Advitiya Atma Jnanam Nivartakam iti etavan matre pramana. Na tu avachedaka vishesha api. Shruti is pramana which says Dvaita prapanchasya Advitiya Atma Jnanam Nivartakam. Dvaita prapanchasya Advitiya Atma Jnanam, Advitiya Atma Jnanam, Dvaita prapanchasya Nivartakam. Only in this much it is pramana. It doesn't say Dvaita prapancha is adhishthanam, Dvaita prapanchas adhishthanam is Advitiya Atma Jnanam, therefore Dvaita prapancha is mithya and all. This is not what is said. That avachedaka vishesha is adhisthana jnana etc. and therefore nivartyatvam and therefore mithya. This is not true, Purvapaksha says. Nacha jnana nivartyata matra mithyatva siddhi. Just because something is jnana nivartya, therefore it is mithya is not true. He is going to give some examples. First one he gives. Setu darshanadi nivartya duritadishu vyavicharat. Setu darshana will eliminate durita, papa. Setu darshanadi nivartya is durita, but is durita mithya and papa mithya? Purvapakshi is asking Siddhanta. No. Nivartyatvam is there, mithyatvam is not there. Vyavichara. Hetu is there, sadhya is not there. Tatra vihita kriyatvadina nivartakatvat na vyavichara. Siddhanti says only setu darshanam is not there. You have to do some vihita kriya. Therefore, that vihita kriya will remove. Not only setu darshanam. Setu jnanam is not going to remove papa. विहित क्रियात्वादिना निवर्तकत्वात् न व्यभिचार इति चेत् प्रकृते अपि रूपान्तरं नावच्छेदकम् इति कुतो निर्णायी? प्रकृते अपि रूपान्तरं न अवच्छेदकम्. रूपान्तरं means in any other way. So how will you do nirnaya? Kuto nirnayi? So Purva Pakshi is going to show Nirnaya means how did you come to this Nirnaya? See now Purva Pakshi's Drishtanta. Jnanasya hi swapraga bhavam prati pratiyogittvena nivartakata. First, Jnanam will remove its praga bhava. So, praga bhava is of that thing. Jnanam is the pratiyogi of that praga bhava. Ghata jnanam is pratiyogi of ghata jnana praga bhava. Ghata jnanam will remove ghata jnana praga bhava. So, nivartyata is there in ghata jnana praga bhava, but it is not mithya. One. पूर्व ज्ञानादिकम प्रति तो उत्तर विरोधी गुणत्वेन. If there is पूर्व ज्ञानम, some विषय ज्ञानम in atma guna, let us say ichha is there. Ichha guna will be eliminated by its uttara atma guna, which is different from ichha, which is virodhi of ichha. So one guna will be eliminated by its उत्तर विरोधी गुण. पूर्व ज्ञानादिकम प्रति तो उत्तर विरोधी गुणत्वेन निवर्तकता. You have to add. संस्कारम प्रति फलत्वेन निवर्तकता. संस्कार, according to Nayayika, if there is a samskar, samsmriti, so samskara produced, then when you have smriti, once you recollect it, that samskara will go. This is what they think. Why they think like this? They have their own way of thinking. Only remember, samskara is there. When you recollect, then samskara is gone. So smriti is nivartaka, samskara is nivartya in their case. So phalam is the smriti. Ragadikam prati vishaya dosha darshanattvena. If I have raga for something, raga will be eliminated when I do vishaya dosha darshanam. You will say. Visham विषम प्रति गरुड़ ध्यानत्वेन निवर्तकता. सेतु आदि दर्शनस्य दुरितम प्रति विहित क्रियात्वेन निवर्तकता. सेतु आदि दर्शन will eliminate durita with some vihita kriya. But according to Purva Pakshi, setu darshanam is mukhya. According to Siddhanti, vihita kriya is mukhya. एवं च मिथ्यात्वं विना अपि ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व दर्शनात् न मिथ्यात्वस्य साधक. So all these are not mithyatva sadhaka, because without that also jnana nivartyatvam they all have. उदाहृतेषु अपि, करेक्ट, उदाहृतेषु अपि सत्यत्व असंप्रतिपत्त्या मिथ्यात्वमेव अस्ति इति चेत्, in all the udaharanas that you have given, Siddhanta is telling Purva Pakshi, satyatva asampratipattya mithyatvamev asti. In all of them, satyatva sampratipatti means acceptance that Shukti, Rajata, etc., they all have Jnana Nivartyatva. So satyatva is subject to debate. It's not accepted that it is satya. इति चेत अस्तु वा मास्तु ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्व मात्रम तु न तस्य साधकम इति ब्रूमः. पूर्व पक्षी says whether it is sat or not, but only jnana nivartyatva is not the means to establish that it is mithya. Na tasya sadhakam, tasya mithyattvasya hetvantarena siddhau chet tad upanyaso vyartha. If you have to use another hetu to do its siddhi, then only by saying jnana nivartyatva is mithya, that upanyasa, that establishment is waste, means it is unfruitful. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.